Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 15, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. Column B and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th row and 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. First row and third row and fifth row and 8th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 9th row and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 4. First row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then in column F, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 8, 5. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then in column D, we have 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then in column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade and column E, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 8, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, 3rd row and 1st row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column H, 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Ninth grade, three numbers are remaining, 7 to 8, column I, we have 7 and 8, so 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here, the ninth grade, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. The 9th grade, so 7th grade, 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, column B, we get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 5, 8. First row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column A, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 3. Column C, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column A, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 8th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then first row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. 4th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 4th grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade and 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. 3rd grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd row and 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.